Cyfarwyddiadau. Nawr te, John. Been waiting for this moment. What a word. Cyfarwyddiadau. Beth ydy cyfarwyddiadau? Directions, instructions, cyfarwyddiadau. Wait for it, wait for it. Falle bod ti eisiau gwisgo'r menydd, Louise. Un munud. Nawr te. Dyma ni. Nawr te. I gyd gyda... Dyna ni. Ydy pawb yn barod? Dim tŵ barod. Barod. Cyfarwyddiadau. Unwaith eto? Cyfarwyddiadau. Da iawn. Unwaith eto. Okay. Cyfarwyddiadau. Da iawn. Diolch, Louise. Diolch. Nawr ten. Cyfarwyddiadau. So, rhoi cyfarwyddiadau. Ewch. Off you go. Ewch o cerwch. Whereas with a T, we'd use cer. Maybe cerwch isn't as familiar to you. No? Ewch is fine. Ewch o cerwch, fyddwch chi, i'r chwith. Go to the left. Dewch. It's a command again. The uch, isn't it? Fel gorchamin, a command. Dewch i'r there this time. To the right. Yeah. Sylwch, just notice a couple of changes. Ewch i'r chwith. The same in a gogledd. Dowch rather than dewch. Just a slight variation on those vowels there. Dipyn bach o wahaniaeth. Dim llawer, I wouldn't worry about it at all. Eisteddwch. Nawr te, the ken. A command. Eisteddwch ar y chwith. Sefwch. Stand ar y dde. Iawn? Ble mai? Lle mai yn y gogledd? Where is? Ble mai? Lle mai? Where is? Now, here we go. Wrth. Wrth y bwrdd would be, or wrth y ford, because sometimes you can see in your script, a ford, weithiau am table, y bwrdd. Wrth, by, dan, under, ar ben, on top, trwy, through, lan, up, lawr, down, lan, lawr. Nawr te. I could do that again, but I'm not going to. O, lan lawr, syth ymlaen. Straight on. Nawr te, dwi'n byw yn yr eglwys newydd. Eglwys newydd, Whitchurch, rather than New Church, Whitchurch. Nawr te, dwi'n byw ewch drwy'r pentre. Yeah, drwy'r pentre, because you have a little mutation after command sometimes, but don't worry about it. Ewch drwy'r pentre, Mae'r tŷ ar y chwith. Yeah? Mae'r tŷ, I could say trowch i'r dde. Yeah? Trowch. Turn. Yeah. Syth ymlaen. Straight on. A dyna ni. When you've arrived at your destination or the location, a dyna ni. Okay? Mae'r tŷ, mae'r banc, mae'r siop ar y dde. Gyferbyn sometimes opposite. Wrth, by, close proximity, wrth. Nawr te. Ta-da! Ble mae'r teddy, Louise? Ble mae'r teddy?
Ar ben i'r bocs.
Ar ben y box, on top of the box. Ar y box, iawn. John, ble mae'r teddy?
Wrth y bocs?
Wrth y box, ie. Yeah. Nawr te, Angela. 1 second. Ble mae'r teddy?
Dwi ddim yn gwybod.
Now, ble mae'r teddy? Now then, we don't have it there, do we? Mewn would be in a box of some kind, but this is a specific box, this one. Mae e yn y box. Now then. Marie, ble mae'r teddy?
Dan y bocs.
Dan y box, dan y box. Louise, dyna man in. Here. Dewch yma. This is another command. Dere for the T, but we're not concentrating on the T right now. Here's the box. Dyma'r box, dyma'r teddy. Yeah. Now, you can ask a gweddill where the teddy is. Place him wherever you like. Dyna ni.
Ble mae'r bocs? Teddy.
Ble mae'r box? Ble mae'r box?
Ar ben y teddy.
Ar ben y teddy. John, ar ben y teddy, wrth gwrs. Okay.
Mae'n flin dy fi.
Mae'n flin dy fi, mae'n flin dy fi. Rhaid I mi fynd, you know, we've got to go. O'r dechrau, o'r dechrau.
Ble mae'r teddy?
Ble mae'r teddy?
Dan y bocs.
Dan y box.
Ble mae'r tedi?
Wrth y bocs.
Wrth y bocs.
Ble mae'r tedi?
Ar ben y bocs.
Ar ben y bocs. Ww!
There you go. Ble mae'r tedi?
Yn y bocs. Yn y bocs. Da iawn, da iawn, Louise. Steddwch chi lawr, steddwch chi lawr. Nawr te, dyma ni. Nawr, dwi eisiau, os edrychwch chi ar y sgript, dwi eisiau symud tŷ. I want to move house. Now, ydyn ni'n gyfarwydd, are we familiar with y lolfa? Y gegin, y lolfa, lounge, y gegin, kitchen, y stafell wely, lan y grisiau, lawr y grisiau. There's another word for grisiau, isn't there? Lan loft, yes, lan loft, we can do that one. Lan y star, yeah, lan y star, lawr y star. Nawr te, gobeithio fedrwch chi helpu fi i symud tŷ. Dodi'r dodrefn. Dodrefn furniture, placing the furniture in the house. I'm a little stuck. Ble mae'r teledu yma'n mynd? Where does this TV go? Ble mae'r teledu yma'n mynd?
Yn y lolfa.
A ble mae'r lolfa?
Ar y dde.
Ar y dde. Ble mae'r gadair chair? Ble mae'r gadair yn mynd?
Yn y stafell fwyta.
Which is?
Dining room.
Dining room, yn yr ystafell fwyta, the eating room. Ble mae'r ystafell fwyta?
Ar y chwith.
Ar y chwith, on the left. Ble mae'r ford, bwrdd, yma'n mynd?
Yn y gegin.
Yn y gegin. A ble mae'r gegin?
Syth ymlaen.
Syth ymlaen. Ble mae'r cwpwrdd dillad? There's a one. Cwpwrdd dillad? Wardrobe. The clothes cupboard. Ble mae'r cwpwrdd dillad yn mynd?
Lan y star.
Lan y star, o grisiau lan y star. Ble mae'r lamp yn mynd?
Ar y bord.
Ar y ffordd, ie. Yeah. Ble mae'r bwrdd?
Yn y
gornel.
Yn y gornel. A ble mae'r tŷ bach? Dwi ddim yn gwybod.
Rhaid i fi fynd.
Rhaid i fi fynd i'r tŷ bach, ond dwi ddim yn gwybod. How do I get to the tŷ bach nawr te? Marie, can you tell me?
Syth ymlaen.
Syth ymlaen. I'm going through the door, am I?
Yeah.
Syth ymlaen.
Agor y drws.
Agorwch y drws, ie.
Troi'r chwith.
Trowch i'r chwith.
Chwith. Syth ymlaen.
Syth ymlaen.
Troi chwith.
O, troi
Troi de.
I'r be?
Through the door. Just go.
Well i fi fynd ar frys, I think. I better go.
Troi'r drws.
Oh, true drws, I'm not there yet. Oh, no. True drws.
Arrived.
A dyna ni, and we've arrived. A dyna ni am wythnos yma. Gwelech chi wythnos nesaf. Diolch.
O, John. So spanne tipot yn y gegin, cariad.
Y gegin, iawn.
Gegin.
Oh, sorry, John.
Iawn.
O, Gareth, yn y cornel.
Iawn.
Na. Wrth y ffinist. Tipyn bach i'r chwith. Nôl tipyn bach i'r dde. I'r chwith eto. Iawn. Teledu. Yn y cornel.
Esgusodwch fi, da ni eisiau'r teledu yn y gegin.
Teledu yn y gegin? Nonsens! Nawr te. Lle mae'r plwg ma? Dyma fe, dan y bwrdd. Teledu ar y bwrdd, please. Mam, beth am y photos ma? O, reit. Neis, yn dyw e?
Sara,
Ie?
i'r chwith dipyn bach. I'r dde dipyn bach. I'r chwith dipyn bach eto.
Coffi pan?
Grêt. Ie.